Yo, what's going on YouTube? Arash here. I'm back with another video. Before I start, I will say and thank you and appreciate it to everyone. We just hit the 1,000 subscriber. I'm really thankful to everyone who helped me to grow up my channel. And then as usual, we have another Porsche here. In this video, I will show you how to remove let's show it in the car. Wait. So I'm going to teach you how to, actually I'm gonna make the two-part video, one about how to remove the spoiler, and second one, how to remove this trunk vent, engine vent, engine duct, whatever you call it, this piece plus that brake light. So please watch the video until the end to not missing any important part. Let's get into it. First, for spoiler, need from the inside, push the button to spoiler comes off. Okay, after you pull the spoiler off, you will see 6 plastic cover like this. Let me remove one and then show you. This plastic cup, okay, 3 of it, it's facing to the left, 3 of it, it's facing to the right. So when you put it back, don't misunderstanding. And then underneath it, it has 6 torque star shape size 20. Those are all need to be removed. Those bolts, look at my hand, you should not pull it up like this. Slide it. Oh, it's not gonna, I didn't open this one. Stupid. Okay. And then just slide it in this way to yourself. So spoiler gonna come off and you can easily wrap it. Here was the spoiler cover, and then if you need to remove this base plate, it has in the 2 nut here, size 8 millimeter, and then also 2 nut here. So after that you can remove it. I don't need it. But if you guys need to remove this base plate, it's super easy. Other things I missed, if you want to remove the base plate, you have to disconnect this harness. It's for another brake light sticking to the spoiler, and then take the cable like this, and then again put it back when you are done with it. So I just want to make it sure everything is correct. So this is the way you can remove the spoiler of the Porsche 911, and all of them is like the Targa, convertible, and coupe gonna be same. And please wait for the part 2, how to remove the air vent. And if you are new here, please subscribe the channel, turn on the notification, turn on the notification to not miss my new video. See you guys in second part.